Welcome to this exciting 3-minute exploration of robotics, where we'll dive into the innovations transforming industries and shaping the future. Let's discover how robotics is revolutionizing the way we work and live. Robots are machines designed to perform tasks that usually require human intelligence or physical effort. From factory floors to healthcare systems, robots are increasingly becoming an essential part of our daily lives, providing greater efficiency and precision. Robots are machines designed to perform tasks that usually require human intelligence or physical effort. From factory floors to healthcare systems, robots are increasingly becoming an essential part of our daily lives, providing greater efficiency and precision. In healthcare, robots are making a huge impact. Surgical robots enable doctors to perform minimally invasive surgeries with greater precision, reducing recovery times for patients. There are also robots that help assist the elderly, offering companionship and ensuring their safety at home. AI and automation are the driving forces behind many modern robots. With advanced algorithms, robots can learn from experience, make decisions in real time, and adapt to new situations without human intervention. This means smarter robots that can perform complex tasks in various industries like logistics, agriculture, and even entertainment. As robotics technology continues to advance, the possibilities are endless. We're seeing the development of autonomous vehicles, robots for disaster relief, and even human-like robots designed to assist with everyday tasks. With innovations happening every day, the future of robotics is bright and full of potential. However, with all these advancements, there are challenges to overcome. Ethical concerns, job displacement, and the need for safety regulations remain key topics. As robots become more integrated into our lives, we'll need to address these issues to ensure they benefit humanity in a responsible way. Robotics is changing the world as we know it, and we've only just begun to scratch the surface. The future is exciting, with endless opportunities for growth and innovation. Thanks for joining us on this quick dive into the world of robotics. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the tech of tomorrow.